So today we're out in the combi. We've got some gullies to do down in Somerton, so I've recorded the best ones, so enjoy and please like and subscribe. So I've just spotted over there, that's our Evergetting van. I wonder where he's off to.
If you like this video, give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe at the end.
So this is one of the gullies that the site's had a particular problem with, so we're going to give it a go jetting it and see if that gets us anywhere. So fingers crossed, that'll clear it and that'll be it, job done. So that perforator pipe on the right hand side is the soakaway, which is the outlet side of the gully. I gave it a good go jetting it, but it wasn't having any of it, so it's definitely going to need some further work there, possibly to renew that soakaway or connect it into another drain. So now we've moved on to another gully, so we're going to give this one an empty and hopefully we'll have a bit more luck with this one, fingers crossed. So you can probably tell this one's very heavily silted. It's clearly been blocked for a long time, so it took a lot of hard work to get the thing clear. So I was getting a bit fed up at this point and decided to put the truck on below, because sometimes that frees up the stuff in the bottom, and I made a bit of a mess of it. And to be honest with you, it didn't really free it up a lot, so it was a bit of a waste of time, but it was worth a try. So I thought the only way I'm going to clear this is to get the jet and hose back out and break it up with that instead. So with the gully nice and empty and clean, I thought I'll stick the truck back on below and flow test it, and hopefully it's all going to run away. And that didn't end too well. I totally flooded the place again. So now all I've got to do is a lot of cleaning up. What I didn't know at this point was, it turns out this gully runs into our previously blocked gully with the failed soakaway. So it was never going to run away. And then just to be sure, I stupidly did it again and made even more of a mess. So yeah, I also got a wet foot because it turns out my right boot has got a hole in it, which is just what you want. So there's just one thing left to do, and that's to get the jet nose back out and clean up the mess, so it's nice and tidy for the customer, like I've never been there. Right, so it's time to put the lid back down. I'm going to use these two gully hooks. They just make it a bit easier to lift the lids off, saves a lot of bending over, and just makes life a lot easier. So I left that gully to soak away whilst I did the paperwork and everything, and it was dropping. It's not perfect. I don't know how it's going to cope in heavy rain, but at least there's something running away there. We'll put it back for some further work, whether that's to renew the soakaway or connect it to another drain. But yeah, thanks for joining me on my day out in Somerton, and please like, subscribe and leave a comment. It really helps. Thank you.